Today I have some errands to run and some things to do around the house, but I can't wait to show you the new and improved Walmart. So don't go anywhere because you don't want to miss it. Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today I have a few things I need to do as far as errands. And I also have some things to do around the house. Not a lot of cleaning per se, but just little things that need to be put away, things like that. So today is gonna kind of be a day in the life sort of video. My day isn't always like this, but I figured instead of showing you me just doing laundry or cleaning the kitchen, I do have a lot of errands to run, things I need to get done. So I figured I would take you along with me and just let you see what my day is gonna be like. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing is a stop at the bank, but our bank has no tellers anymore. We have the little kiosks and the electronic tellers. What about yours? Okay, I am now at Hobby Lobby, because I know they had, the last time I came, they had already started putting their fall stuff out. And I have decided this year that I'm going to, instead of decorating for fall, taking all that down, then putting up my Christmas tree for like 3 or 4 weeks, I'm gonna go ahead and put up maybe, well, my main tree and then maybe another one and decorate it for fall. So when it comes time, when Thanksgiving's over, then I will take all that down and decorate for Christmas. But I think, so I'm gonna go into Hobby Lobby and see what all they have. I'll show you some of the things they have, and then you know, depending on what I find, I may start buying stuff now. But anyway, let's go ahead and go in Hobby Lobby. They get you as soon as you walk in the door. I've already stopped. I tell you what, I can really do okay at Hobby Lobby at any other time during the year except fall. I promise you, at fall, I just want to set up camp and just live there. I love all the colors and all the pumpkins and all the fall stuff. I just absolutely love it. So I have to go in with a plan of action, or else I will spend way too much money. Are you this way? Let me know in the comments below. So pretty. I love these blue flowers on here. That's really pretty. How much is it? $12.99 less 40%. It's really pretty. I feel like these would be pretty for my tree, to have a few of these sticking out. And it's $6.99 less 40%. I think these are pretty. It's got a pretty long stem, but anyway, that's a thought. All right, they have all this garland. They do have this. It's $9.99 less 40%. It's only 6 feet, so I would need at least 2 of those. But then they have things like this, kind of pretty. Or this. I don't know, it's not folly enough. They do have these. These are, this one's like $14.99. But could I make that? I don't know. Anyway, they do have a lot of this stuff. I actually have this little yard piece that I bought last year on clearance, and it's really pretty, but I love these pumpkins, these huge pumpkins. Alright, this is probably more of what I was thinking of, but the prices are ridiculous. Like this right here, I would definitely need several of these, and they're $45. I mean, you do get 40% off, but still. But this is kind of what I was thinking about for the tree. Maybe something like this. That's a little bit cheaper. It's $30. I don't know. It's still kind of a lot. Anyway, but they do have a lot of selection of this garland. This is kind of what I was looking for too. They have a big selection of picks. I did see this. These would be cute to stick in there. And then, where was the other one? They do have these kind of picks. Those would be pretty. And then, let's see what else. Pumpkins. Where were they? Like this down here. I do like these. Those would be pretty on top, sticking out from the top. So yeah, stuff like that. Mesh, you let me know. Should I do a ribbon like this to put around the tree that has the green in it, or should I do something that's just like orange and cream? Something like this. I don't know. What do you think? They do have a lot of ribbon, so I could do mesh and ribbon. They have these little things. They could be ornaments. I may get a couple of these because these are only like $3.90, no, $3.50, 40% off. That's cute. So I may get a few of these. It was getting a little later, so I figured I would stop for a little lunch at Chick-fil-A, and I got some grilled nuggets with a side salad, and I made me a little mini salad. And then on to Walmart I go. And I have to say, Walmart has really stepped up their game. Have you been in a Walmart that has been redone? They have a dollar spot now, which they're probably trying to model after Target. And I noticed a lot of the stuff they have in there is like stuff from around the store that is $1 or more. But anyway, but look at the displays now. They have mannequins, they have big signs, they even have Justice line of clothing. Do you remember Justice stores and all the stores closed down? Well, now Walmart carries Justice. But anyway, their home decor department is improved. They have, it seems like everything is just kind of upscale. And honestly, even their bathroom is nice. Look at this bathroom. This is Walmart. But I love that they have these new displays. They've got a bedroom display, a den display. They've got a nursery display, this little kitchenette display. Let me know in the comments below if your Walmart has undergone this change. All right, I just got back from Hobby Lobby. Running errands. I stopped at a few places, but anyway, I wanted to show you what I got from Walmart, and then I will show you what I got from Hobby Lobby. So first of all, my son's bathroom needed a new shower curtain liner and shower curtain, so I got that. This is like a gray and white, and then this is just a white. Then I got a razor. Sorry if my hands are shaking, but anyway, we needed some new little trash bags for the little trash cans in the bathrooms. I got some wheat thins to snack on throughout the week. This Parmesan garlic sauce, Buffalo Wild Wings sauce. I'm gonna use it for dinner tonight. as well as the green beans and potatoes. The seasoned rotisserie chicken is for another meal this week. The ground beef is for another meal this week. The chicken is for tonight, and this is already thin sliced, and it's only 1.5 pounds, so I figured it would be a good amount for just the 3 of us. Then I got these fall floral picks. So these were only $1 each, well, 97 cents each. So I figured even if I went to Dollar Tree, I couldn't get them cheaper than this. So these will be some that I will use for the tree. Then they also had these, and this was actually, excuse the dishes in the sink. That's one thing I have to do in just a minute. But anyway, these will be good to just kind of stick in the tree. And each one has like 3 sets of leaves. So, and there's 10. So I figured for $4, I get 10 picks. So I got this one, and then I got this one, the sunflowers. There's 5 sunflowers, and this was $4 as well. So these look much nicer than what I would probably get at Dollar Tree anyway. So I feel like I got a good amount of picks. These definitely would have cost more at Hobby Lobby, even 40% off. So I was glad to find those. All right, now as far as Hobby Lobby, I got this, and I didn't realize that this was actually a set of 2, but it was $5.49 plus 40% off, and then you get 2 of them. So I got these and these to use as ornaments. Also, I got this one, and I want to say it was 2 something. It's $3.49 plus 40% off, and then this one was $3.49. I just saw this, I thought it was really cute. It was, what, $4.99 plus 40% off. And then I really did like these picks. I'll probably use these at the top of the tree. These were $1.99 plus 40% off. So I got several of those. I think I got 9 of them. So anyway, that's what I got from Hobby Lobby. I figure I probably, in all of the boxes of fall stuff that I do have, I probably have some other stuff that I can use on the tree. So I didn't want to go too overboard in what I got, but I may go back. Obviously, the closer it gets, I think they'll put everything on sale for 50% off. So I may go back and just see if there's anything else that I want to get. But this is what I got from Hobby Lobby. Now I'm going to do some things around the house that I need to get done. First thing I'm going to do is put away the things that I got from Hobby Lobby and Walmart. And then I was gonna empty the dishwasher, but I realized that the little tablet hadn't dissolved all the way. So I just ran a quick cycle and just let it clean again. And I'm just gonna wash some of the things. And then I'm gonna go do a couple more things in the house. One of which is taking care of some things in my closet that have needed to be put away for a while that I just have not done it until now. So finally got that done, got that vacuumed, and then it was time to get dinner started. And for dinner this night, we're having chicken and potatoes and green beans, and I will have the exact recipe in the next video of my What's for Dinner that I do every Sunday. So if you don't watch that, make sure you subscribe so you can see all of my What's for Dinner videos. But anyway, while this is in the oven, I go ahead and empty the dishwasher because that cycle got done. I go ahead and empty the dishwasher and finished kind of cleaning up all the mess that I made putting dinner together. And then once we finished eating dinner, I finished with the dishwasher and all that. But after dinner, we went for a short little walk, and then I finished my evening with my nightly soak in my bubble bath. And that is just something I love to do for myself. But anyway, this was my day in the life. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you got a little motivation for your homemaking and taking care of your home. But if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. If you love all things homemaking, make sure to click the subscribe button. And if you are looking for some meal ideas, then click the box you see on the screen right now, and I'll see you next time. Bye.